Here I will tell you guys how to remove a background from any picture. Any of the picture you can remove any of the background. First go to Chrome, tab new browser, then type remove .bg. You can upload any image there. See, here the picture appears with the whole background, and it will remove it in just 1 second. You can download it from here. It says download again. Now this file is downloaded in your mobile phone gallery. See, here the image appears with no background. Thanks for watching.